Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply turn off audio or mute sound in Zoom. So when you're gonna click new meeting, and let's say that you are in a car or whatever, or like you want to mute feed for a while. So what you want to do is just click here on the left top corner on the microphone. That's it. So click on it, click on the microphone, and right now when everyone is going to speak, you're not going to hear anything. So again, you're in the Zoom app, you just press it here, the button. So that's it. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions about Zoom, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it works. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.